What's going on, everyone? We're back. We're going to be fertilizing the backyard today. We've finally warmed up past our cold weather. It's about 83 degrees here right now, so oh man, it is it's kind of sticky out, or getting sticky out. I'm sweating. Today we're going to start with the Sunday section of the yard. Divided everything out. This is actually the largest section of the yard. It's right around 1,200 square feet. We're going to be spraying this, the Sunday Mighty Green. When I got that in kit number 1, it came with 2 pouches. I sprayed one way back in March on the annual ride just to see what it would do, and I'm left with that one. The instructions called for applying both pouches to like my entire yard, in this case 5,000 square feet, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to still follow the recommended rates. We'll talk about those here in a second, but we're just doing it over that 1,200 square foot area. So guess what? Math time. Oh yeah. So the fertilizer is a 2602. The net weight of the package is 3.41 pounds. Simple. So how much nitrogen is actually in that little pouch though? Well, once you do the math on it, it comes out to being about 2.88 pounds, probably rounded up to 0.89 pounds of nitrogen total in this guy here. And if I would have followed the instructions that came with the kit and applied both pouches over the entirety of my yard, that would have put down the nitrogen at about 0.35464 pounds of nitrogen per 1,000 square feet over the entirety of the yard. So that 0.354 pounds of nitrogen is an important number because I want to match what the instructions said in my 1,200 square foot test zone. So how much of this pouch am I going to be putting down? Well, that works. Okay, so that application is completed. Got close as I possibly could to using half the bag, but it's down and it's good. One thing you may have noticed though, that something different is I was wearing rubber boots. I know this is supposed to be a safe product, but the actual MSDS, there are warnings and PPE recommendations, so I was wearing my rubber boots. One, I didn't want to put on shoes. I prefer my flip-flops, and I don't want to get my flip-flops messed up with urea-based nitrogen because it'll probably attract cats or my dog or something. I don't know. And another thing is, my dog was not in the yard and neither were my kids. They were instructed to not be in the lawn while I was applying. They will return to the lawn once it is dry, and the same goes for the dog. They always are inside whenever I'm applying a fertilizer product, and they are 1000% always inside when I'm doing herbicide, because I just play things safe. I do things responsibly. We should all do things responsibly, do our own part, keep everything safe, and keep the planet happy. So responsibly I'm not opening this in my face or spraying it with my kids on my shoulders. Sorry. I have to say that because that is that's irresponsible to do that. So that's it for the Sunday video. We'll see how it goes. I'm curious. I really am. I'm curious to see how it'll do at that low rate of nitrogen. May do a secondary round and break the instructions, but I want to stay as close to the instructions as possible. I'm expecting another kit here in the next few weeks, so we'll look at that one then and see what's changed on it. I still have the other 2 zones to do, so stay tuned. That's coming up really soon to get that taken care of. We're going to have a lot of fun with that. Oh boy, got some new products. I think I'm still going to go the Depth 10 Plus route for the peptides, but we may have to bring in some Thunder to, you know, liven things up a little bit. We may see. So until then, hey, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button if you like what I'm doing, and we will see you again soon. Talk to you later.